Today, we will talk about how to start a franchise with no money. Let's have a look at the details. It's not possible to start a franchise without any money. You'll need to pay an initial franchise fee, and you will have other startup costs. Furthermore, franchisors want to see that you have some skin in the game in the form of a down payment. Nevertheless, you'll never know if you can start a franchise until you perform research. You might be able to free up some money with a home equity loan or by using your retirement savings. Thoroughly research any franchise that interests you to find out how much money you need to start, and clean up your credit so that you are a strong applicant. The first step is considering your funding options. Seek franchisor financing. Some franchises will lend you the money needed to purchase a franchise. They can also help you lease the required equipment. Not all of them will, and franchisor financing might only be available for newer franchises. For example, you shouldn't expect to buy a McDonald's franchise using franchisor financing. Tap your retirement accounts. You can use retirement accounts such as your 401k or IRA to fund the purchase of a business. The process is called a rollover as business startups, or a ROBS. Pull equity from your home. You can tap the equity in your home with a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit, HELOC. A home equity loan is an installment loan, while a HELOC is like a credit card. Find business partners. You might be able to start a franchise without any money if you find partners. These partners will share the costs, and ultimately the profits, of your franchise. Pursue traditional bank loans. The traditional way to get a loan is to approach a bank or credit union. To get a bank loan, you'll need excellent credit. Also, you probably need at least 20% of the startup costs in cash, which you might not have. Consider SBA loans. In the United States, the Small Business Administration, SBA, guarantees loans. The second step is finding an appropriate franchise. Research franchise opportunities. There are hundreds of franchise opportunities available in all kinds of industries. You should identify your interests first. For example, you might want to start a restaurant or a gym. Check startup costs. No franchise will let you start for free. However, you can start some home-based franchises for as little as $1,000. Others will cost $10,000 or more. Find out the startup costs and whether you can afford to buy in. Identify what you can afford. After you find the minimum startup investment, assess your finances to see if you can afford it. Ideally, you shouldn't invest more than 15% of your own money in a franchise. Research the franchise. You only want to work with a franchisor that is reputable. You also want a franchise that is a good fit for you. Accordingly, thoroughly research those franchises that interest you. The third step is applying for your franchise. Clean up your own credit. Franchisors will perform background checks before accepting you. Submit a qualification questionnaire. The questionnaire will ask for information about your assets, income, and debts. You may also need to provide information about your work experience, education, and motivation for buying a franchise. Attend a discovery day. Discovery days are a chance for those interested in a franchise to visit headquarters and meet with key business executives. Gather financial information. If you choose to pursue a loan, be prepared to disclose all of your financial information. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.